Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say sorry that I'm not in my own premiere. We are having friends visiting us and that we haven't seen for a long time. So that's why I'm not in my own premiere. But I'm going to try to explain everything in detail as I always do. So I already shown you how I mix my white and I add 30 grams of resin in my paper cup and 3 drops of the casting craft white, and the temperature of the resin in my plastic cup was 37 degrees. And now I pour it into my silicone mold, and I'm going to show you that the temperature will go down when you pour resin in the silicone mold. I'm going to try to make a bloom because I need to practice it a little bit because there is a Bloom collaboration coming up on April 4th. So that's why I'm try to make a nice bloom. So again, I've shown you the temperature. It was 33 degrees, so it went down by 4 degrees. Yes, I'm spraying some alcohol to remove air bubbles. And again, I'm checking the temperature, and now it is 30 degrees. These are the alcohol ink colors I'm going to use. And I'm also going to use some cool alcohol ink colors from Dipon. So again, I'm checking the temperature, and it's 30 degrees, so it's okay. So now I'm going to start with the first color. This color is yellow, as you can see. Then I'm going to use the peach red, very bright color on top of the yellow. And this is the Sugilite color around it. Also one in the center. And now I'm going to use the dark magenta, so the dark colors on the outside. And the color blue, also on the outside. And also on top of the dark magenta. And now with my white, I'm going to try to make some, how do you call this? Flower shapes or petal shapes on top of the alcohol ink. The mold I'm using is from Molds and Shapes. It's the Daisy Flower Tray mold. It's 25 centimeters. And I'm still sad they are closing. You still have some days left to order your molds because they are going to close for 3 months. Um, and after that they are reopening again for 3 months. But you have still some days left in March to place your order. So if you really want to have some molds from Molds and Shapes, the link to it is in the description below this video. And I also have a promo code. If you use my promo code JustPaint10, then you will get 10% discount. But all the information is in the description. Yeah, as you can see, I make a lot of these flower shapes or petal shapes. And on the edge, I'm going to add the pearl green, the pearl alcohol ink from Dipon. But I'm also going to use the 24 Karat blue pearl color. I think that will look nice on the edge. Yeah, and what I mentioned, there is a Bloom collaboration coming up on April 4th, and anyone can participate in this collaboration. So if you're interested, um, please send the link to your video to me or Resonating Art by Amy M, because she's also organizing this bloom collaboration with me and with um, Pour Resin with Love with Tina, and Serendipity Resin Creations by Susie. So if you want to join our bloom collaboration, please send a link to your video to one of us, and then your video will be added to the playlist, and you will also get a link to the playlist so that you can add it in your description. But I hope a lot of people will join our bloom collaboration, because the first time we did a collaboration, it was really so much fun to watch all those videos. So please come on and join our collaboration. So as you could see, I also added some lines on the edge, and now I swirl the center of each flower shape or petal shape or whatever it is, also to spread those blobs, because yeah, otherwise they will sink to the bottom, and then yeah, it will not look nice on the other side of the tray, because the other side of the tray is the good side. But hopefully both sides are pretty. The resin I'm using is from Let's Resin. It's a fast cure resin. I like to use this resin for the flower technique. And now I drag lines from the outside to the inside. There you can see it. And this mold is amazing. What I mentioned, please place your order if you still want to have some molds from Molds and Shapes. And it's already starting to bloom. I hope you can see it. Yeah, there are some caps, so I fill it with more flower shapes. There you can see it. So I'm done. I will let it dry, and after 1 hour I'm going to show you a close-up. So it's 1 hour later, and as you can see, it bloomed very well. What I especially like on this side is that you can see the pearl alcohol ink on top. Very nice. And so far, I also like this side. The colors are very vibrant. I like the vibrant center. There you can see it with the peach red and the yellow. Yeah, hopefully the other side will also look pretty, but so far I'm very pleased how it looks. So I filled them all totally to the top. I didn't show you that, and I used the G3 curing machine for that. And now I'm going to take it out of the mold. I like this side a lot. You can see the pearl alcohol ink very well. I'm sorry for my speech. I have some trouble with my teeth, so yeah, I'm sorry for that. So now we can take a closer look. I'm going to show you both sides. There you can see the pearl alcohol ink, very pretty. I also like the center a lot. And now the other side, how does it look? Oh wow, that's very pretty. I like it a lot with the vibrant center and the blue and the dark magenta colors on the edge and the pearl alcohol ink. Yeah, it's very pretty. But I'm going to practice more. But I'm very pleased with this one already. Very nice. Now I'm going to show you a close-up outside in the daylight. So this is a close-up outside in the daylight, and you can see the colors much better. But I also try to show you the pearl effect of that alcohol ink from Dipon. But I love it very much. I'm very pleased how it looks. It bloomed very well, and the colors are very vibrant. A little bit closer there. A lot of depth. Yeah, very nice. So let me know what you think of my flower tray. Maybe you have some suggestions for my next try. Yeah, I forgot to mention that this video is a part of the Friendship Express collaboration that is organized by Serendipity Resin Creations by Susie, All About the Resin Creations by Sally, Pour Resin with Love by Tina, and Resonating Art by Amy M. So the link to the playlist is also in the description. And yeah, go watch all those other videos because I think you will have a lot of fun watching them all. Yeah, again a close-up. Now I try to show you the effect a little bit better of that pearl alcohol ink. It sparkles a lot on the edge. There you can see it. Very pretty. There you can see the bright center. Very nice. And the dark magenta and blue color on the edge. Yeah, I'm very pleased how it looks. So I will try again and then I will show you all that video also. But I want to thank you all for watching my video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!